Course creation, online course creation. So what is course creation? So a course creation is precisely defined as a systematic and often iterative process of transforming a body of knowledge or a set of skills into a structured pedagogical digital product designed for independent guided consumption through the internet. So what does it mean? This means when we create a course, we are involving several kind of skills like pedagogical design, content creation, structural organization, technological implementation, assessments, feedbacks, accessibilities, user experience, and all this will be considered. But everything can be designed in different tools. Now, the tool we are going to see today is called LearnPress. LearnPress is a WordPress tool which is based on WordPress as a plugin. So how can we create a course in this system? So let's dive in. The first and the very thing you have to do is, as usual, you have to begin with login. If you are new, you would rather start with registration. But let's assume that it's not our first time, we have already an account. So the first thing we do is just click login and open up the dialog box for login information. We put our username and password or our email and password and login. So now let's go with my email. I put my email. So I would say this is my email as an instructor. So make sure that you do have instructor account, because if you have student account only, student users are not allowed creating courses. But if you want to create a course in our site, you have to contact the administrator to ask to upgrade your role as an instructor or an LP instructor. So since I have this sample account as an LP instructor, I would type my username or email, password, and login. Now it takes me to the accounts dashboard. So my accounts dashboard shows me everything about my account. So this is my photograph and my profile photo. I have my profile name and the profile I've already included. In the left side column, you have a long list of menu items which have different purpose. For example, the course shows you the courses you have bought or you are building, you have constructed or you have created. And my courses are the courses you have bought. Withdrawals is a part. It is dedicated for only for instructors, for the benefit of the instructors to see their commissions. If you click it, it shows you how much money you made within a day or a week or a month. Every time you come back and log in, you will see how much money you have. Like for example, in my account, I can see that I have a balance of 1,109 birr and 50 cents from commission. How is this commission calculated? It is calculated based on the percentage which you have signed in your contract. For example, if you got 50% of the commission, that means if 2,000 birr is collected from the course you have created, you get like 50% of that, which is 1,000. So all the transactions will be listed. If you have requested the checkout, you can see the checkout here. If you want to withdraw money before the time of the contract, for example, the contract says you will be getting your payment, your commission payment at the end of every month. But in case if you need that money before the month, maybe after a week or in a couple of days, and if you have enough money to withdraw, go to this part, the withdrawal part, click here to withdraw the sellable option. You click it and it would ask you your email and password to confirm it is really you that which is asking for money or the withdrawal. So you see, for example, we have 1,109, and let's say I would ask 200 out of it. So I would type 200 and then submit request. When the time I submit request, the system automatically calculates and deducted from the total 1,000. It deducted 200 and showed me. It deducted 200. Yes, now I asked for 200 exactly on June 19, and the result or the remaining will be 909. So how does you get the money? You get the money directly to your Telegram account. So our administrators or the financial admins will put the money or will forward the money in your bank account based on your commission. So you can see your commissions right here. And certificate, you can get the certificates or check out your certificates and download the certificates here, and the quizzes, the setting, and everything which you have seen on our first registration section and my account section, you get here. You want to change your password, you can get your password changed here. And finally, you can click log out to log out of the system. Now, once you have reached this site, the next thing is you have to go back and create your course. But in order to create your course, make sure you have this black bar at the top of your page. This black bar is dedicated only for instructors and administrators. On the left side, you would see Freedom Learning, and when you highlight it, you see the little word dashboard. That is a menu which you should click to go back to the back end where you actually build your course. Now I'm on the dashboard. So we'll see the dashboard on the next video.